Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook air fryer frozen steak fries, or steak chips as you might call them, in the air fryer. They're just fantastic for serving up with your air fryer steak, and I love how chunky and delicious they are. So if this type of frozen fries are your thing, let me show you how to air fry them. And we also have 450 plus more easy air fry recipes over at RecipeThis.com, as well as a fantastic air fryer mini course which is free, and our free air fryer newsletter. I recommend you check it out, and if you have any questions or comments, you can reach out to us or just comment on this video. Right, so when we did steak cut chips, or steak cut fries as you may call them, we did 625 grams. Well, this pack is, it says somewhere on it, 1.5 kilos. So just below half a bag is what we normally put in. So I'm just going to go with kind of filling up the air fryer but not making it too full, and then seeing how much we have left. What I love about these is they're just perfect with steak, chicken schnitzel, chicken Kiev, or however else you like them. And they just remind me of when I've been having steak on vacation and we have a side of fries. So that's about half a bag. So I think I've put in there about 750 grams, so slightly over our recipe on the blog, but it shouldn't really make much of a difference to it. So let's get them in the air fryer. So you want to set your temperature to 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and your cook time to 10 minutes. And then press stop. And we've beat. So let's have a look at these steak fries. So what you find is they need a shape around now. Some of them will have a better colour on them than others. It depends how full you've done your air fry basket. So for example, that one looks a bit on the pale side, but some of the other ones look much better. So, I'm going to put it back on for another 5 minutes, but this time I'm going to increase the temperature up to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, and that gives it a chance to get a better colour on them. And we've beat. And wow, they've got a much better colour to them. And as you can see, that colour is amazing, and they're lovely and crispy as well. Sometimes steak fries are not crispy enough, and they're just so perfectly cooked, and I can't wait to tuck in. So here they are, they're all done, and I can't wait to tuck in and see how nice they are. I'm having some with a bit of mustard. These are really, really yummy, and it's like being in France and they've got some mustard on the side, and you've got your fries, and of course you've got your steak, and it's just one of those great foods that you can do at home in the air fryer from frozen. So if you want to give them a go, don't forget our full recipe is in the video description, or you can just search RecipeThis.com. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at RecipeThis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.